Hello everyone, so we're just going to very quickly go over how to install Exodus Wallet and send some DigiByte to it. So first thing you want to do is just type in exodus.io. Go ahead and click download. Now just select your platform. We're on Mac in this case. Just wait for the download to finish and open up the DMG. Now go ahead and just click and drag it to your applications folder. And now we're just going to go ahead and open up the application. Let's go ahead and add Exodus to our dock. Just drag and drop it. Open up Exodus. Now remember, when you send funds to Exodus for the first time, you're going to have to back it up. So take the time to do that and store your seed in a safe place. You might save your funds someday. So in this case, we're just going to come over here to the wallets. And as you can see, a lot of them are activated, a lot that we might never use. So let's go ahead and go to settings and deselect a few, and let's activate the DigiByte wallet. So yeah, just go ahead and uncheck any ones that you won't use. And there's DigiByte right there. Okay, so now let's send over some funds to our DigiByte wallet from a DigiWallet on iOS. So we're just going to connect our iPhone here. Now, what you want to do in this case is just open up the DigiWallet, enter your PIN. There are funds. And we're just going to click receive on the Exodus wallet. A QR code will come up. You can either copy and paste the address and send it to yourself, or you could just scan it like I did in this case. Now select the amount, and notice just how fast we get these in our Exodus wallet. That's because DigiByte has 15-second block times, and don't forget that it's actually a UTXO blockchain. So you get all the speed without losing any of the security. There we go. It's that simple. Now, first confirmation should come in about 1 minute, and all confirmations will follow after that.